What are you doing, Dutchie? G'day everybody and welcome back. Long overdue update. Just very quick one. I've still waiting for the 900SS. Seems ridiculous, but it took an eternity to get the decals, and then when they applied them, they cocked them up. They damaged one and had some blistering under another one. It was obviously an outgassing issue, so they had to reorder the decals. They were supposed to have the bike ready for me over a week ago, and they've had other bloody hold-ups, and then it was going to be Friday just gone, and that didn't happen, and then now it's going to be next week. I just want it back. And when I do get it back, you'll be the first to know. Yeah, go on Nick, go. In the meantime, we'll get around this silly dawdling old woman, old Dutchie. Yes, Nick, I see it's a police car. We've got a police escort. How good's that? Bit foggy, bit cool this morning. I think Bubba said it was 0.6 of a degree when he left home. Oh, we're losing our police escort. And he's behind me. Great. Yep, still behind me. Another cop car. Geez, they're hot. They're out and about. So take it easy out there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And I will catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions. Bye for now.